Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Tata Motors. Our analyst maintains buy on Tata Motor with a revised price target of Rs 1026 on expecting continued improvement in JLR, PV and CV business and reduced net automotive debt from current levels. The company has been consistently maintaining EBITDA margin about 13%, as Q3 was the consecutive third quarter in a row when it has reported EBITDA margin about 13%. Consequently, net automotive debt has been coming down. Further, Q4 is expected to be strong for both JLR and domestic business. Stock trades at EV by EBITDA multiple of 4.9 times its FY26 earnings estimates. Next we cover SBI. Our analyst maintains buy rating on SBI with a price target of Rs 780. SBI reported Q3 wherein largely one-off item dragged the performance. Adjusted for this, the overall earnings remained healthy, driven by lower credit costs despite weak core operating performance. Asset quality remained stable. Adjusted for large one-off, ROE is at 1% and we believe the bank is likely to sustain ROE of 1% in the near to medium term. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 0.9 times its FY25 and 0.8 times its FY26 core book value estimates. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.